Did you know that every year over 5 million lives are saved globally thanks to innovative technologies? From medical marvels to cutting-edge safety devices, these inventions aren't just changing lives, they're straight up saving them. And today, we're about to uncover some of the most jaw-dropping examples that'll leave you saying, "Wow, why didn't I think of that?" So let's get started. Number 1. Personal Wearable Airbags. Introducing the Smart Airbag Intelligent Vest, your ultimate guardian angel on the go. This smart body airbag isn't just a hip accessory, it's a lifesaver, especially for our beloved seniors. With its intelligent algorithm for full protection coverage, including head, neck, back, and hip, it's like wearing a hug that's got your back, literally. Plus, with its nifty app alerting caregivers, you can fall with style and safety. Number 2. Drowning Detection Systems. Dive into safety with the Drowning Detection System by Poseidon. This high-tech monitor keeps a watchful eye on every splash and stroke, ensuring swimmers stay safe and sound. With lightning-fast detection, it's like having a lifeguard with superhero speed. Whether you're diving deep or just dipping your toes, rest easy knowing Poseidon's got your back, ready to alert lifeguards and save the day in a splash. Number 3. Emergency Response Drones. Experience safety redefined with Joab. This emergency drone isn't just high performance, it's a lifesaver. With active safety tech and up to 3 hours of endurance, it's ready for any mission. From mapping to public safety, it's a versatile hero in the sky. So stay safe, stay covered with CW15, your ultimate emergency response companion. Number 4. Automatic External Defibrillators, AEDs. Meet the Philips Heart Start Home AED Defibrillator, a life-saving hero in the comfort of your own home. With its FDA approval and user-friendly interface, it's your go-to device for emergencies. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with its impressive warranties and compatibility with pacemakers. And the best part, it's ready to rescue straight out of the box with free shipping to boot. Number 5. Anti-choking devices. The LifeVac Home Kit, a must-have for every household. With LifeVac's patented suction device and specialized masks, you'll be equipped to handle any airway obstruction. Easy to use and suitable for both adults and children, it's a life-saving tool you can rely on. Plus, with no prescription required and no expiration date, it's peace of mind that lasts a lifetime. Number 6. Smart Inhalers for Asthma Management. Introducing Smart, a game-changer in asthma care. This approach replaces 2 inhalers with 1, delivering both prevention and rescue therapy. Combining a corticosteroid and long-acting beta agonist, Smart offers better control with fewer exacerbations. Developed from extensive data, it enhances anti-inflammatory coverage during flare-ups, promoting adherence and minimizing side effects. Number 7. Automated CPR devices. Auto Pulse Resuscitation System, automated CPR at its finest. With high-quality circumferential chest compressions and no interruptions, this system ensures critical circulation during resuscitation efforts for cardiac arrest victims. They're committed to improving the ease of use and effectiveness of circulation solutions, making a significant impact in saving lives. Number 8. Portable Water Purifiers. LifeStraw Solo Personal Water Filter, a companion for your adventures. Weighing just 1.7 ounces, it's ultra-light yet ultra-powerful, protecting against bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. A fast flow rate and long-lasting filter stay hydrated on the go. Plus, with every purchase, you're helping provide safe drinking water to a child in need for a whole year. Number 9. Smart Smoke Detectors. Accent Smart Smoke Detectors, the guardians for your home safety. With a seamless setup process and real-time monitoring via the Xsense Home Security app, you can protect your home from anywhere. Expand your smart home with up to 50 interconnected alarms, ensuring everyone is alerted in case of emergencies. Plus, with Protect Plus Premium, enjoy professional monitoring for rapid response when every second counts. Number 10. Rescue Robots. Meet Rescue Robotics, revolutionizing disaster response. Our agile robots brave unstructured environments, locating and aiding victims where humans can't reach. With durability and usability in focus, these robots withstand all conditions, delivering critical support in emergencies. From assessing situations to delivering supplies, Rescue Robotics is changing the game in rescue missions worldwide. Now, before we delve deeper into these life-saving marvels, I want you to do something for me. Hit that like button below if you're as hyped about these inventions as I am. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech adventures. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we've got in store. Number 11. Medical Exoskeletons. Get ready to step into the future with exoskeletons. These high-tech marvels aren't just sci-fi dreams, they're here to enhance your function, mobility, and productivity. From preventing injuries to empowering movement, exoskeletons are changing the game. With brain-controlled models on the horizon, the future of mobility is limitless. Number 12. Tourniquets with quick-release mechanisms. Quick-release tourniquets, your go-to for rapid and reliable medical care. These reusable tourniquets boast clinical-grade quality, ensuring cost-effectiveness and durability. With a high-quality elasticated structure, they prioritize patient comfort without compromising on security. Plus, their quick-release feature and single-handed application make them a must-have for medical professionals. Number 13. Solar-powered medical refrigerators. Your solution for a safe vaccine storage powered by the sun. With direct connection to solar panels, these units ensure consistent and reliable cold chain management without the need for batteries or regulators. From remote areas to urban centers, trust in the power of the sun to safeguard vital vaccines worldwide. Number 14. Smart contact lenses for glaucoma monitoring. Say hello to the future of eye care. Developed by Postec, these lenses combine IOP monitoring and drug delivery for personalized treatment. With high sensitivity and biocompatibility, they offer real-time monitoring and medication administration. Revolutionize glaucoma management with smarter, more effective solutions. Number 15. Mobile stroke units. Changing the game in stroke care. Equipped with CAT scan machines and clot-busting meds, these units race to patients, increasing the odds of averting strokes and speeding recovery. The invention, led by experts at Weill Cornell Medicine and New York Presbyterian, portrays every minute counts in delivering life-saving treatment. Get hyped for a future with faster, more effective stroke care. Number 16. Inflatable emergency shelters. The ultimate solution for rapid deployment. These lightweight structures, manufactured by MFC International, are perfect for emergency or humanitarian use, field hospitals, command centers, and more. With adjustable entrances, versatile linking options, and minimal maintenance costs, these shelters are a game-changer in disaster response. Number 17. Portable ultrasound devices. Clarius PAL HD3. Elevate healthcare excellence with the latest in high-definition ultrasound imaging. With real-time imaging that's easy to use and ultra-portable, improve patient outcomes anywhere. The Clarius PAL scanner offers superior image quality and versatility with its innovative dual-array wireless design. Discover 8 ways it supports the quadruple aim and revolutionizes healthcare. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of some truly incredible inventions that are changing the game and saving lives along the way. If you found this video as mind-blowing as I did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy pals. Remember, stay curious, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.